This video will describe how to add records to the Unisync event review table. First of all, among the new events in the event import table, we have to decide which ones we want to put into the Unisync event review table, which ones are new. In this case, 191 and 192 are the new book and event records that we want to add to the Unisync event review table. And if we go over to the Unisync event review table, we see that 190 is the last record entered, so we want to enter 191 and 192. There are three fields that we need to enter here: the import event serial number, followed by the Unisync ID, and that followed by the Unisync review date. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, in the Unisync event review table, we need to be in the view Enter Candidate Events. In that view, the first thing we want to do is click on the plus sign. When we do that, a whole new blank record has been entered into the Unisync event review table. We want to ignore the first column for now and go into the second column. In the second column, we want to click on it and type the serial number of the record we want to add, which is 191. 191. And we see that that record has been looked up in the event import table. If we just hit return, notice that it populates the fields, next four fields: import event title, name, event category, and requested event date. If we now click on the import event title, we can either do a space, hold down the shift key and hit the space bar, or we can click the little icon here. Either way, we'll expand that field and get something we can now highlight, copy with the Command or Control C, and now go over to the Unisync ID table, ID field, and do a Command or Control V to type that in, because we want the Unisync ID pair to be the same as the imported event title. Finally, the event review date is going to be 4/30. We've decided that. I type in 4 for the month. It brings up a calendar. I click 30, and I'm done. And now I can go here and click plus and do the next one. So here I'll click 192. There it is. I have to wait for it. Hit return. The fields are populated. Click here. Do a shift space and double click. Do a Command Control C to copy that field. Click here. Command or Control V to paste it in. And the event review date is also 4/30. 4, bringing up April, 30, and we are done. That's it. That's the end of this video. In the next video, we'll look at how we bring up the Unisync event review table during the meeting and type in the rest of the fields: the Unisync lead, affirmed, and so on. Thank you for listening.